Welcome to Cryptocurrency Explained. In this lesson, I will explain the holy grail of crypto land, getting cryptocurrencies without handing over your money for it. Well, it is indeed possible. I'm going to share with you some of the most common ways to get free crypto, or if not quite free, how to earn it. The first thing, of course, to mention is that this is a topic which attracts a lot of scammers. So please be careful to never give out your private key. Never download any files from suspicious looking websites. Never send crypto to pay for a spot in an airdrop or anything like this. Please be careful. Now, the first I want to mention is airdrops. It can often be possible to sign up for some kind of promotional campaign put on by a crypto company where they actually drop free tokens to, for example, whoever signs up for their newsletter or whoever joins their Telegram group. Or maybe sometimes the airdrop will simply go to all holders of a certain token. Holders of Ethereum or EOS or Tron, for example, can often receive free coins in their wallets just for having those coins sitting in their wallets. Now, often these airdrops are worth only a few dollars at the most at the time of the airdrop. But sometimes if you hold on to those tokens, they can be worth hundreds or thousands of dollars in the future. I will include a few links down below for places where you can go to find out about airdrops. Remember, only ever give out your public address. Never, never, never your private keys. No airdrop needs that. There are lots of scams out there. Be careful. And airdrops can actually be incredibly profitable. Just as a recent example, Ontology. Now, Ontology airdropped 1,000 Ontology coins to anyone who joined their mailing list. Now, at the all-time high, that was worth $10,000 just for signing up for a newsletter. And that is just one of many examples of how insanely profitable the right airdrop can be, even if most are worth nothing. The good ones are few and far between, but when you do find a good one, it can really pay off. Then there are forks. From time to time, communities disagree or developers split off to do their own thing. In a situation like this, a fork will be created, which basically means that anyone holding, for example, Bitcoin will also receive an equal amount of Bitcoin Cash. Equal, of course, to how many Bitcoin you're holding in the first place at the time of the fork. Now, these events don't happen very often, but when they do, they can be very profitable. But please do be aware that new networks can be unstable, especially immediately after a split, and trying to redeem your funds may not always be easy. And of course, scammers target these events. You are also required to already be invested in the original cryptocurrency. So it is free, but it's kind of not free because you have to have the other crypto. Also note that there are big price spikes just before a fork. It's very common, as are the big price drops immediately after the fork, as everyone seems to have the same bright idea of buying this cryptocurrency in order to get the fork coin. Some people have been burnt very badly. You have been warned. Next on the list is affiliate marketing. Basically, websites like Ledger hardware wallets or Coinbase give a small commission to you for referring people to their product or services. Now, this works great for someone with a website or perhaps that already has a social media presence. But let's assume that you don't have either of things. You can still get free cryptocurrencies by getting your friend to sign up to Coinbase or getting your friend to buy a Ledger wallet using your code. You help them out by getting them free cryptocurrency, or you help them out by helping them secure their crypto. And it might only be a few bucks, but it's still free crypto, and free crypto is free. Next up, lending out your cryptocurrencies. Now, I want to make a very, very important distinction here. There are high yield investment platforms that are categorically scams. The percentages just don't work in the long run and are almost always Ponzi schemes. But there are some awesome ways that you can lend out your cryptocurrency for a small percentage. The first is margin lending. Now, this is available on platforms like Bitfinex or Poloniex. Essentially, you loan out your Bitcoin to traders, and the platform acts as the middleman to ensure that your loan is safe. Now, the percentages are very small usually, and particularly in terms of margin lending on an exchange, it is not a safe place for long-term storage of your crypto. So you are going to have to weigh up the security risks to the percentage earned and decide if this is something that makes sense for you to do. There are also, though, crypto lending projects like BlockFi and Nexo, which let you lend out your crypto and earn higher yields in terms of annual interest rates. This can be another good way to earn on your crypto holdings, particularly if you're holding for the long term, but again, there is risk associated with that. The next one is probably the funnest option that I have for you today, and that is to get out there and to use decentralized applications. Yes, there are indeed many dApps that pay you for being a member of the community or for using the dApp, or other users can upvote you and you get some kind of reward for that. Now, for example, here are a few that you can use to earn crypto today. Watch videos on d.tube and get tube tokens back. Post on the Karma app and get Karma tokens when somebody likes your post. Get an account on Steam and get Steam when someone likes your post. You can use the Brave browser and get paid basic attention tokens to see ads. Instead of Google taking all of that money, you can get crypto, but you have to download the browser. Another great way to earn crypto is via bounties. Essentially, you can get crypto for doing all kinds of tasks for different cryptocurrency projects. Can you translate from Russian to English? If so, you can probably earn some cryptocurrencies by translating a white paper for a cryptocurrency project. Social media ninja? Well, then you can probably write posts or post articles or make videos, etc., in order to earn crypto from a project. Maybe you're keen to be a community manager for the Telegram group or a Facebook page. Those can all be paid positions via bounties. Contact projects to see what opportunities, if any, are available. And if you have some good skills, you may be able to land a paid gig or at least some bounties from these projects. On a similar note, do you have a skill? Freelance and accept Bitcoin. It's probably one of the easiest things to do, but if you have these skills, especially skills that can be used on the internet, accept Bitcoin. That's an easy way to get crypto. Now, I would be remiss to make a video about free cryptocurrencies without saying something about faucets. Now, faucets are websites which will drip feed you a penny or so of crypto at a time for clicking on CAPTCHAs. You can do it like once an hour, for example. Basically, this verifies that you came to the website and that you saw the ads which are plastered all over the website. This is a terrible way to get crypto, but there are indeed some people in some very limited situations who have got small amounts of crypto. I do not recommend this, unless, of course, I guess you hate your time and you hate your sanity. But it exists, so you now know that it exists. Also worth mentioning in this video is, of course, staking. Now, I covered this much more in depth on my mining and staking video, but you can earn free crypto by staking certain coins. There are also, of course, masternodes, which can earn you crypto at a more reliable rate, but investment is required. But once you have invested that money, then you're just earning sweet, sweet crypto for free. And of course, that brings us to mining. Now, as mentioned in the mining video as well, some coins can actually still be mined on your desktop Or if you have a GPU card, even better, you can probably mine something like Monero if even tiny bits. But for a more serious commitment, you will need to build your own mining rig and buy some hardware, assuming that the numbers work for it to be profitable for you. So make sure you do the mathematics on that before running out and do it. There are also some projects which reward you for renting out your computer space or for renting out your storage space. So be aware of those. Projects like Sia and Golem, again, if you don't have a robust computer, it may not work so well for you, but these projects do exist. There are so many ways to get a hold of free crypto. You just need to find out which one is right for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure to check out the next video in the series to learn even more about cryptocurrency. And of course, feel free to post any questions that you may have down below in the comment section. There you'll also find my recommended list of exchanges and wallet providers. And if you found this information useful, leave a thumbs up on it. You can also subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.